Cool, and we are live. Awesome. Welcome everyone. So today we will be doing a live stream of designing a dashboard for EasyNote, and there has been quite a lot of changes in EasyNote, and I will be showing how the whole process is working when we are about to redesign the dashboard, because we will do major changes to the tool. And let's get started. So one of the biggest issues today, or challenges we have today, is when we view a task, it's hard to assign a status. So we can do that by adding widget statuses here, but what we thought was maybe we should redesign the whole process, or how the whole view task should look like, and that has a huge impact on the entire tool. And I can just quickly how this is looking in live today. So if I move this one here, if I click on a task, this is how the view task is looking like today. And what we are working right now on is a whole new version, which I have designed, and it looks something like this. So this is what I've been designing. Click on this one. This is how I thought this new version will look like. And the reason for that is, on each task we will have one status. Of course, you can add multiple statuses. And then we will introduce labels. And it looks a little bit something like this. So as you can see, it's a whole different design than existing ones. The comments are like this. And the idea is to be able to change statuses here. You will be able to assign multiple people from here. And at the same time, the comments will be moved here. Pretty cool. And the other thing is, we will be able to create new statuses, and it looks something like this. Cool. So this is what we are actually doing at the moment, and this will have a quite big impact on the entire tool. And how far we have come so far is we have the task. This is the development environment, and we can click here, and now we can see the new comments. This is existing. This is what is about to be launched. So now we can move the activity here. Looks way better, right? And we can have unassigned people, and we will introduce labels. So we will be able to filter then tasks through the labels. So that is what is at the moment happening. And one thing is that I'm looking at is you can be able to create new labels as well. So awesome. That is a new label, and then we will be able to assign tasks to labels, and you can see directly here these labels, which is pretty cool. All right, well, this little thing here, as we have today in EasyNote, we can add multiple statuses here, and that has been really hard to track of which of the statuses do we actually pick in Kanban to display tasks here. So we had a small icon here that is indicated the Kanban, and everything is being sorted according to these statuses, and we could change it by setting a Kanban here. Cool. Now, we thought we need to make this whole process simple, so we will introduce that each task will have their own statuses, as that has been designed here. And why am I talking about that? Well, because this has impact on the whole tool, and this will have impact on the dashboard. This will have impact on everything else. So how is that? Well, if we go to the dashboard today, we can do it here, it goes faster. And I click on the tasks. Now when I see that in the dashboard here, we have picked tasks who have basically where any of the widgets, people widgets, where I'm added. So it has not been sorted according to the new way of working where we will introduce the assignee here. So the whole thing needs to be reproduced and redesigned. So let's get started. So we have this new dashboard, and well, this is the existing one, and we need to redesign it. So I think we should get started. So usually what I do is actually what I will do something like this. I will green shot. All right, there is an instance print screen. Let's take a screenshot of this. There we go. Copy, and let's go here. Let's add a new board. It comes here. And let's pass this one in. There we go. And let's make it all the way down here. And if I preview this, how does it look? Where's my preview? There we go. So we took a copy of that. Cool. Actually, we need to make this bigger. Right. Take it here. Let's see. Cool. So now we have the whole dashboard, and let's get started. We'll keep this one tasks. Let's lock this one, and let's actually, I will leave this one. No, let's do it like this. Color does it have? Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this one like this. Let's move this one here, or we'll rename this one. Favorites and deadline. And the other thing we have is we can go in and see what the other team members are working on. So let's add this one, 13 maybe, and actually do this. Good. And then we have 3 team members. If we make do this maybe 30 by 30. Repeat this one, 1 to 3. Move it up to 10. There we go. Remove this one. And we use a plugin. This person doesn't exist. Cool. Let's add some names. Jessica. James, maybe. 15. Cool. Jessica. James. Emma James. Cool. Name James. Cool. That is done. So let's move this one here. That's design. Cool. And let's have one which is, maybe we can start with everyone. Let's add a border. blue color. Let's remove this one and let's move this one below. There we go. Cool. Now we have everyone, and if we preview it, it looks something like this. What's the font size of this? 17. No, that should be actually 15. All of them should be 15. There we go. Perfect. So what we need to, how does the everyone look today? We have something like this. So what we can do here today is we can see what projects we want to see here. So to see what everyone is working on. But I think what we need to do is make it a little nicer. So I'm gonna do let's rename this one ever. Maybe make it 20. Make it cool. And then let's do like this. Let's add this one here. And I think we will cover this because I don't. There we go. And let's lock this one. Cool. So now we have designed our own the task thingy. So since we will have an assignee here in the future, so this is the main thing, the big change where we would like to sort things according, so everybody is assigned to per assignee, right? Per project. Let's see how we can do this. Can we use something from we have today? Add this one, everyone. Actually, everyone in the team in these projects, what they are assigned. Maybe we could do something like this. I don't know. Let's try. I'm just gonna try something. Actually, I'm gonna do this. Repeat. And group. I don't know if this helps. Oh, this takes so much time. Let's see how everything is going. Cool. I hope you're all having, today is a Sunday, fun day, so I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day. I sure do. Interesting day. Let's remove a border. Cool. So let's see. Now we have a nice picture of what everyone is doing. Cool. So let's see, we need to display the project name because we can select what projects we look at. So it looks something like this. Build a company. Maybe we can do. So this is a project. I think if this one is 20, we need to make this one smaller. 17. Let's add an icon. Project. Do we have any icons? Let's use a free one. So I'm using a plugin which is called OutIcon to find really cool icons. And I really like this plugin. Let's use this one maybe. There we go. So we have this one. Maybe we need to have a border which separates this. I don't know. Try add this one. Let's resize this one like this. Cool. So I have an idea. Maybe you can click on this one and see what this person is responsible for. But I think that's the maybe same thing here. I don't know. I'll decide later. Anyway, we need to have avatars, which we need to do something like this. This is. Did I mean? There we go. So maybe we need to. It would be actually pretty cool to. All right, I have an idea. So the idea I have is basically we display all the people who are responsible in different projects, but then you can actually click on this person here in these particular projects and find out what they are, exactly these tasks are they are working on. So what we can do is we can do this ungroup. We can generate new images. That is what we can do. So let's see what we need to have. How is this one? 30. Okay, let's use a name. Bring to front. Oh, this is not just anyway, but I think that's fine. Can use a plugin to generate, and then see if we can generate some names. Full name. Let's try. Cool. Looks very nice. Now we need to have the tasks that they are assigned to. So this is something that we need. Let's take a screenshot of this and just see what we can do with it. Can we use any of these? Actually, we can. Actually, we can. So this here showed the category and all the. Let's do like this. Close this one. Let's leave this one here. Let's lock this one. Cool. Let's move this one like this. And just to try it out. Let's do this. Let's move this one. this is the category. Just pick a random color. This one is good. Then let's have category format. Normal, regular. Okay, this is the task number, and we need to have the task develop iOS app. Cool. And then we need to have something like this. That is that one, and we need to have maybe purchase. So this is the widget. So maybe we'll have one widget which is for status, which says going. And we have, here we go. We have this one. And we maybe have another one, which is forecast. $149. We have, actually what I'll do is I'll do this. I will repeat the grid so we have the same equal space. There we go. And group this purchase, ongoing, installation. This one is completed. Purchase ongoing, budget. $9 spent something and done. Make a nice checkbox. Actually, we'll do this. Let's see how this looks like. So I think what we need to do is move this one here, and we need to move that one here. So let me show you how this can actually look like. Let's move it here. Something like this, and let's copy this one. We can do that like that. Group. move this one here, like this, up. And that's it. Perfect. Let's align this. So it looks something like this. So now we know who is working on what in these particular tasks. Right. So let's... Why is this not aligned? There we go. So what we can do is actually have an idea how to filter, well, what is, let's just name this for fun. Develop an iOS app, build an Android app, learn JavaScript, learn Visual Basic, develop an iOS app, learn graphics, learn Photoshop. Just something, right? Cool. So now we have that, and what we can do is let's group this. Cool. Let's move it here. So these are the people who work. What does this look like actually? So now we have a dashboard, so we can see everyone that is working on something. But I would like to know what, for example, Henry is working in these particular projects, so I can keep track of things. And let's say that this one is not maybe done, or let's do like this. Group, tick, tick, tick. Let's move this one here. Let's remove these two. So now we have this one. Wait. Yeah. And we have this one here. Cool. And now we have a dashboard. So, and what I would like to know is just quickly what Henry is. So let's take a picture of Henry, put it like here. What's the size? 6060. There we go. So I would like to know what Henry is working on. So let's do like this. Actually, we can, let's move. Let's do like this. So let's make a copy of this here. Let's do this. Let's add that Henry is actually working on these two tasks like this. Cool. And we make Henry here. Perfect. Wait, and then we make this one here. So now we have it. So if I would like to filter on Henry, so let's do like this. What I need to do then is make Henry's, let's do a 4. Let's do 80 by 80. There we go. So now we have Henry selected. Let's move backward. Cool. There we go. Like this one. Let's remove these ones. This one, let's remove this one, this one, let's remove this one, and let's move this one up. No. Yeah, we can do that. So if we do an animation and we go to here, and then when we click on Henry, we should unselect it. So it should look something like this. So we have the new dashboard and we can click on the Henry, and now we know what Henry is working on. And if we deselect, then we can see everyone else is working in this particular project. Cool. Right. And another thing we could add just quickly is, I'm thinking of teams. So let's say you have in this particular project, you maybe have a sales team, marketing team, and you have many other teams. Then maybe we should add, I don't know. Can add something like this here. And then you can actually click on it. But I will do it for the next session. Just wanted to show you how we can make a quick dashboard. And yeah, I think this is the way we will continue. So now we can see everyone who's working on what, and I can see what Henry is working in this particular project. Yeah, and then I can go quickly and see what my entire team is doing. One thing I would actually do maybe is just before we round up is I would like to know a few things when it comes to a project level. So if we move this one here, one thing I would like to know is the progress. How far have we come when it comes to this project? So maybe we can do something like this. Add 20 here. Add a nice greenish. Actually, let's do like this. Let's add a border. Done. And let's add a nice progress bar. There we have it. Cool. And consistency is a key, so we need to have same color everywhere. There we have it. Cool. Let's add that same here. Let's so one thing what we can indicate is a status, something like a yellowish color to indicate the status of this particular project. And this is the estimated time, and let's say 6% completed. These small fonts, smaller, something like that. Nice. I think I have double. I don't. Something like this. And if we have multiple projects, we can just do this. Copy. And what we can do, we can group this. We can group this, and I will show you something cool. There we have it. Let's make a scroll bar up here. Run this. Nice. So now we have, and we can click on Henry to see what he's doing, and now we can have a cool scroll bar. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for watching. It was interesting to do this. This is just the start, so I'm sure it's gonna be really cool once we are done with this. I wish everyone a lovely Sunday and see you very soon. Bye bye.